How to fix Xiaomi Redmi 15 Pro Wi-Fi keeps turning off. Let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. So hold and press volume up and power button at same time. From here simply swipe up, then it will be turn off. Then turn on your device. And after that checking your internet connection, then open any browser app, and from here you can see that internet is properly worked. And after that you can turn off power saving and open settings app and go down, select more connectivity options and go down, select reset Wi-Fi, and from here you can see reset settings. Simply click on this. After that settings will be reset, and after that open settings app and select about phone and click on update, and from here checking your latest version will be updated or not. If he doesn't update, then update it to latest versions. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.